now we need to find clients. What's the best way to find clients? For me, I have a multitude of different options, but when I just started out, my number one option, and it's going to sound crazy because we're not even talking about anything to do with real estate, wholesale buying, or investing, is to drive for dollars. But if you drive for dollars, you have to first change your mindset. And if you're here and you've done the process, I'm going to hope and pray that you've already changed your mindset. So you might be saying, okay, driving for dollars. Yeah, it sounds exactly like what I'm saying. Any sign of construction, that's what you're looking for. Any sign of growth, development, change, new, that's what you're looking for. Whether it's a rehab, whether a building's getting painted, it does not matter. That's an opportunity for you to, at the minimum, go get a contact. Also, the first year of my business, I joined the Chamber of Commerce. Now, it has its pros and it has its cons. Their job is to put you in a room with people that can help your business grow. Your job is to close deals. I feel like for me, it's like $1 cost average thing. So after they've gotten you so many meetings to where you can make so much money, it just kind of tanks off. So you have to have some type of system in place in order for you to continue to, set those meetings and get those contracts on. I recommend joining for 1 year only. I only joined for 1 year in the town that I was in, and in that year it did a lot for networking and getting my business name out there, and along with the branding, marketing, color scheme, logos, taglines, along with all of that, it made sense and we were able to take off. And I think that's possible for anybody. So when you join that Chamber of Commerce, make sure you're getting your few $100 worth. I think normally when a business joins the chamber, I think they charge you per employee count or something like that. We were starting off, so we really only had one employee if, we didn't count the other person. So join the chamber, and then it will teach you about your community as well, and you'll get the benefits of being a part of the community and volunteering and all of that. Don't join the chamber expecting them to make you all your money, because that's not going to happen. You're going to have to put in some work still to ensure the success of your business. So what do we have now? We have driving for dollars, Chamber of Commerce. What's another sector? Another sector would be to find some real estate agents in your market. You want to either find the one that's selling the most or find the one that's selling the least. Why do I say that? Because the one that's selling the most is doing high volume. So he's quick turnover, his clients, and he would obviously see the benefit in you coming in and doing a clean on their sales that they're making. Secondly, the one that's selling the least, they're probably selling the least because the house they're trying to sell looks like ish. So you come in with your service of, hey, let's make this thing fresh. Let me do what I can do to make this thing brighter. You may be even to get them for a pressure washing fee. You might be able to get them, to freshen up the paint, or, whatever the homeowner might not do. And then you say, hey, upon closing and the sale of the house, I'll get paid out of closing at the title company. Genius. Most times a homeowner is against doing any upgrades to the home or improving the home anything because they don't have the money to come out of pocket. So if you say to that homeowner, hey, your house looks a little drab, but what I can come in here and do is clean it up, organize it in a way that makes sense for the buyer, as well as, pressure wash your paint, then you have an opportunity. If you didn't catch up on what I just said, I just gave you another leg of my business. We do some interior decorating, designing, painting, whatever it takes to get the house sold so that the client can then pay us at closing. Nothing comes out of their pocket and we move on to the next thing. How did I get involved in that? It had nothing to do with cleaning, honestly. The first house I sold, we needed to update an electrical box, and the electrician was like, I'll do it, just pay me at closing. Cool. So I implemented that into my business that I started, and makes a good bit of money. Makes a good bit of money. I'm sitting here in my home, my new home here in Las Vegas, and the same thing applies. Get in there, look for the money, meet the people, get paid, man. It's not. This is why I love construction cleaning, because I get paid quick and I don't have to go back 99 times out of the year. See what I'm saying? Like, the whole goal of that builder is to finish this building, get it CO'd, and passed off so he can move on to the next build. He does not make money if the build is still going on. So that's where construction cleaning to me is a benefit over office cleaning, retail cleaning, restaurant cleaning, vacation rental cleaning. I dibbled and dabbled, and home cleaning. The worst for me. I've dibbled and dabbled in all of that, and I have found that, and I did all that in the first year. Like, all that in the first year. I got one house in-home cleaning client. Felt creeped out going into someone's house cleaning. That didn't last. I didn't like the feeling of it. And besides that, it limited my potential employee pool. And why I started my business was because I felt like people coming out of jail and out of prisons, they needed an opportunity to do something that was fairly simple and easy and not have to go through all the constraints of licenses and insurance. You don't even have to get bonded to do construction cleaning. Whereas if you clean in an office, a bank, someone's house, you have to be bonded in case things come up missing. Nothing's coming up missing in an empty ass building. Excuse my language. They don't even use copper. Maybe on the top of, the water heater out in the garage or wherever the water heater is. So there's nothing that can be stolen. So everyone has an opportunity to come and change their lives. Like, I thoroughly feel like that with construction cleaning. I've changed my life. I've changed a lot of people's life, teaching them the game and showing them what I've done. Like I said, man, all over. My business is running in Florida. I've done things in Georgia. I've done things in Texas. I'm currently in Las Vegas. And yeah, the opportunities knocking on my door. But I'm here trying to teach more people about the opportunities of the business, just because it's so many. Like, and it's not rocket science, and you don't need all of this education or all of this training unless you're a hoarder and you live in a hoarder house. So God, you can clean. You can clean, man. So when it comes to finding clients, and I'm always getting that question, starting out, you guys drive for dollars, you guys join the Chamber of Commerce, you guys link with some realtors, and if you're interested, I have a lead generation service that I offer, where I created this service where I pull in all the leads and then I sell them to people. So outside of that, those are the only ways you can find, that I found to find leads and clients. And just cold calling, man, flat out cold calling. In the next video, I'll get into, well, one of the next videos, I'll probably get into how I got an $80,000 contract with one email, never walking on site, never meeting anybody from the company that was building the site before they signed the contract. So again, this is Process for Profit, Service Business Simplified. I am Purry. If you like the content, you gained any value, please thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell. Because, yeah, I'm trying to create a construction cleaning nation. I'm tired of the painter's wife getting it. Tired of it. So come on, guys. Join me on this journey, man. It's easy. Peace.